Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. It's got about 6,000 miles on it. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Beautiful shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really nice shape. Take a look at the headlamps, beautiful condition. Lower light, also in beautiful shape. Grille was upgraded to one from an RS. Looks super sharp, very nice. Lower lights in beautiful shape, upper lights in beautiful condition. Hood is in brand new shape, look at that. Looks amazing all the way through. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, beautiful condition, no marks, no scratches on it. Looks amazing. Take a look at the driver's door. Driver door's in beautiful shape. Super nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Super nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Looks amazing. All right, take a look at the rear. Rear lights are in beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Taking a close look here, amazing. Lower bumper's in great shape, look at that. Very nice, LT package. Quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Really nice condition. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. It does have a little dent here on the edge. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's a small little crinkle right there on the door. Fender's in great shape, looks nice. Beautiful shape here, looks good. Also, same thing, it has a small little imperfection here on the edge. Besides that, looks amazing. All right, taking a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Super, super clean. Looks amazing. Windshield on the driver's side, very nice. Don't see any chips or cracks on it. Looks beautiful. Outstanding shape. All right, that concludes our walk around this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Look at the armrest, very nice shape. Controls are in beautiful condition. This one has a power rear hatch, super nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape all the way through. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Really nice condition all the way. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controllers. Power locks, very nice. Passenger seat in the front looks amazing. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks super clean on this one. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in great shape, looks very nice. Beautiful condition throughout. All right, let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful condition. Very nice, amazing shape. Rugs look good, very nice condition all the way through. Right here in the back, we have a power plug here for 120 and a couple USBs. Really nice feature. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Very nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really nice. It's got that two-tone color, looks super sharp. Back of the seats are in incredible shape. Very nice. Rugs are clean, really amazing condition all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package. Take a look at the key fob for it. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. We're gonna set the key down here. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. This one has a push button start right here, so we're gonna press the button, press the brake. Starts right up, perfect, fantastic. Look at that cluster, amazing, beautiful. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on it. First, let's look at the mileage. 6,453 miles. Super nice. On your left-hand side, the compass. Bottom left, your fuel gauge. 177 miles till empty. It's sitting in park right now. Those two little lines on top, that's the lane alert. Those little lines there on the top. You have your RPMs here. Accelerate there. Look at the RPMs, how they go up. Miles per hour in the center. On the right-hand side, there's a little vehicle there. That little vehicle tells you how far you are from a vehicle in front of you when you're driving. And the temperature. Super nice. Really nice cluster. All right, let's go ahead and check out the turning signals. Working perfect. Highlights also working perfect. Now right here, we're looking at this is the cruise control here. This is the detection for the front, collision detection. So you can set up a gap. Further away is better. See that right there? So that's that little button right there. Beneath that, you have your heated steering wheel for you guys up north. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Looks amazing. Take a look. Very nice condition. Okay, and then here we go. This is for the information center. Speak your commands. For the Bluetooth. Super nice. Radio steering wheel controls. You have here the volume controls. And on the other side, you have your station controls. Super nice. Rear wipers right there. Turning signals. And the highlights there. Dashboard looks good. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. Looks very nice. Automatic lights on this one. Rear power hatch. Very nice. All power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Let's take a look at the center console here. On the bottom, we have two USBs with a charging pad here for your cell phone. If you don't have a cell phone to charge wirelessly, you can plug it in there. You have your USB plugs there. Automatic transmission. Brake release is power right here. Let me show you a couple of these buttons here. There's the engine off, standby. The lane alert, track control, sport mode, and this is snow mode for you guys up north. Super nice. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put it back in park here. Let's take a look at the information center, which is the radio. It's got all these features. But first we'll go into the settings. It still has a little plastic on it, so sometimes when I touch it, it doesn't really get my request. But anyway, so it has the app settings there, which is super nice. For audio, for phone and OnStar. Vehicle settings, teen driver, rear seat reminder if you have a small child, climate control quality, collision detection, power locks, all that stuff there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the safety features on this one. We'll review everything it has. Automatic braking and alert, front pedestrian braking, lane change alert, super nice, parking assist, rear camera with parking symbol, and rear cross traffic. So pretty much it has everything. Okay, super nice. Go back to system here on this one. So this tells you the language, the phones, the Wi-Fi, hotspots, super nice. All the settings there. This is where you update it and stuff there. Fantastic. Let's go back to home. Those are all your settings there. This is for the climate control there. You click on that there. Of course, it has all the controls down here, but you can see them on the dash also, and you can control them from there too also. So that's nice. So we go back to home again. Maintenance of the vehicle. Looking at the trip computer. The gauges. Coolant temperature. Battery voltage. Maintenance. Those are the tire pressure sensors. Oil life, 16%. Very nice. All right, so we'll click here. That's the connection to the phone right here. Just clicked on it there. Like I said, it has a little plastic on it, so sometimes it doesn't let me go through. There's no phones connected. If there was, there will be a list of phones there to work off of. And the radio. And here you have settings here. You can go click on that. And it gives you AM, FM, XM radio. If you subscribe to that, you could add your device there. for Bluetooth audio. Go back again, FM, and here you could change the stations or whatever. So we have the radio pretty much all the way down because we're doing the video, but it's really nice. It has the information there that comes out whatever radio station it is, which is super nice. Okay, so that's pretty much it there on the radio. Up above here, I believe this is an automatic dimming mirror because it has a little sensor there. Up above that, we have your courtesy lights, super nice. And you control them for the door also. OnStar button, passenger airbag light. We have your vanity mirrors with lights, driver and passenger. Let's take a quick look at the liner. The liner's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing, really nice shape all the way through. Looks brand new. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Take a quick look here. Looks amazing, very nice. You have your automatic transmission with your parking brake release there. It's got a little center console here. Little tray, you take that out, more storage on the bottom. Another little pocket there for storage. Super nice, really well equipped. It's got all the extras. Okay, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We're going to take this one for a little test drive here. Here we go. Super quick. Sorry about the reflection there on the dash, but it does have the little plastic protector from when it was brand new. It hasn't been removed. So it does have a little bit of a glare there. But it's a really nice cluster. You can see everything. One spot there. Super nice. All right, let's check the brakes real quick. Stops nice. Okay, we'll give it a quick turn here. Great acceleration, feels super quick. Steering wheel's nice and soft. Drives so nice. Really nice, super smooth. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera. Give it a quick test right here. Here we go. Fantastic. Here we go. Put it in reverse. There you go. Backup camera shows up. Those little lines there, depending on how I move the steering wheel, it shows you which way you're going to roll back. Super nice. We'll straighten it out a little bit here. Here we go. And it's letting us know, it's beeping, letting us know that we're getting close to those bushes back there. Super nice. Here we go. It has a little car that shows up here with the parking sensors lighting up there, letting us know what we're getting close to. And it's got a little flashing triangle there, letting you know you're getting close to something. Super nice. Really nice feature. Okay, that concludes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area, tires, engine compartment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the rear hatch. We're going to open it up. Check out the key fob on this one. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. So we're going to press the button here twice. That's going to open up the door for us. Check it out. Super nice. This one's really nice. It has a rubber mats back here for the cargo area. Super nice. Original Chevrolet. Beneath that, look at the rug. Never been touched. Beautiful condition. Below that, we have the spare tire and a license plate holder for the front in case you need it. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. All right, let's go ahead and close the door. It's got a button back here. Let's go ahead and use the button. Super nice. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Taking a quick look here, very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Really amazing shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape. Look at that tread there, very nice. This vehicle only has 6,000 miles on it. Rims clean and in amazing condition. Looks beautiful, very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks amazing, brand new condition, really nice shape. Rim is clean and in amazing condition. Look at that, beautiful condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, very nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our video on this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.